Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by setting yourself up. Move your seat and wheel so you can reach pedals and see the dash without stretching. Once done, fasten your belt and place your hands on the rim with a relaxed grip. Choose 9 and 3 or 9 and 15 depending on wheel size. You hold with fingers wrapped around the wheel, thumbs resting on the spokes, not hooking over the rim, so you retain control and reduce airbag injury risk. Make sure your forearms are slightly bent. Now practice the actual steering technique while driving slowly in a safe area. For tight turns, use hand over hand to maintain constant contact, and for lane changes, use push-pull steering for smoother control. Make small adjustments with forearm and shoulder rotation rather than wrist flicks. This reduces fatigue and keeps input steady. Once you feel the wheel, keep elbows slightly bent and below shoulder height so you can react quickly. Make sure to return hands. To finish, recenter the wheel and bring your hands back to 9 and 3 so you are ready for the next input. If you experience numbness, slipping, or poor control, pause and check your grip, wrist angle, and seat/wheel adjustment. A too high wheel or overgrip can cause issues. Once checked, try again slowly. If problems persist, make sure to consult a driving instructor or mechanic to inspect steering components or ergonomics so you maintain safe, comfortable control.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.